Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to check spellings in AutoCAD. So if you are also bad at spellings as I am, don't worry, I've got you covered in this. So what you have to do is, let's say you want to check this set of spellings right over here. So all you have to do is select this all spellings, then write the command spell, spell, and this will show you all the things that are wrong in it, like suggestions are architecture. This is what we have selected. This is not in directory. This is the correct word. So we'll just say change all. Then next will be scale. Whereas you have written the spelling as scaly, it know that it is scale. So click on change all. Then the next is architrave. uh, we have written architecture, which we have misspelled it, so it is giving us option what do you want to change it to. So here you will get the option whatever you want to change it to. So we'll just do say change all. Then rhythm also, we have not written h, so AutoCAD will know what is not there. We'll just go for change all, change all, change all, change all. So all the spelling checks are complete, and now you are good to go for your drawing. So don't worry. When you are drafting in CAD, just select the things that you want to check the spellings for and write the command spell. Thank you.